Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutomania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out or sell your stocks in Cashapp application. So first step is to open your Cashapp application on your mobile device. Then you have to enter passcode or submit your biometric data. After that, you have to tap on Money tab and home screen. Then you have to follow the investigating tile. Then you have after accessing the investigating tile, you will see a complete list of your share of stock that you own. Choose the company whose stock you like to sell. Then you will be moved to trading screen. So in trading screen, you will see information like the current price of the stock and the number of shares that you own. To start the sell, you have to press the button sell in the trading screen. So after that, you have to choose either you want to sell in term of dollar amount or number of share. Then you have to enter the total number of share or dollar amount of stock that you want to sell. Then choose the type of sell order and set your sell limit price. After that, you have to confirm the transaction using your PIN or Touch ID. So then you will be able to sell your stocks on Cashapp. So that's it. That's how you can cash out your stock on Cashapp. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel Tutomania, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.